Ever lost your keys, wallet, or even your pet? Today, we're diving into the Apple AirTag 4-pack, your ultimate solution for never losing track of your most important items again. These tiny, powerful trackers seamlessly integrate with your iPhone, bringing peace of mind right to your fingertips. What makes AirTag truly special is precision finding, leveraging Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your lost item with incredible accuracy. Imagine seeing an arrow on your screen, telling you exactly which direction and how many feet away your misplaced item is. No more frantic searching. Setting up your AirTag is a breeze. It's literally a one-tap process with your iPhone, getting you started in seconds. Forget complicated pairing. You'll have these valuable Bluetooth trackers ready to go right out of the box. Unlike many other trackers, the AirTag boasts IP67 water and dust resistance, meaning accidental spills or a rainy day won't be the end of your tracking. Ready to upgrade your everyday life and keep track of everything? Check out the best Apple AirTag deals by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. For anyone looking for the best electronics of 2025 to simplify their life, these smart trackers are an absolute game changer. The Apple AirTag 4-pack is an indispensable purchase, offering unmatched tracking capabilities and peace of mind. Highly recommended.